Everybody out there in YouTube land, this is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinctions, coming back again as always to you live and direct. I hope all is well with everyone. Hope everyone is having a great day. Back again to encourage us all to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus. Prayerfully, we are not wasting our time, our money, our resources, and or our talents, and that we are living to the glory of God. So yeah, as you can see here, I have a Bath and Body Works unboxing. I don't know about your neck of the woods, where I know some of you or some of us have been really hit by different unusual weather patterns, things that we probably haven't even experienced probably since the 60s or 70s or something like that. A lot of unusual weather, so it's been a lot of cool, still snow, rain, or things like that in a lot of areas. Mine hasn't been too bad. We haven't really had really bad weather, but nonetheless, I just checked on their site and BBW's site just to look around and see what they had there, clearance, because I was waiting for a clearance sale to come on, although I've changed my mind now since, because I don't really want anything or need anything for that matter. So anyway, I just said, let me look around a little bit, and I noticed they had a little sale that just a 2x2. No, it was actually $5 for a cent or something like that. So I said, well, you know what? Let me just put all of this together and do a 2x2 get one free situation, because what I really would like, I like this pretty much, the Le Fleur. Of course, that's French, and I don't speak French fluently or at all. So anyway, so I did like this, and I know how they are. What they normally do is just repackage something, and I don't know if they'll be bringing this back again. So I just assumed what I got or what I saw online would be very similar to this. So this is Le Fleur Amore. So I'm going to well, Amore, actually. I think Amore is Italian. Amore is French. Anyway, so I'm going to unbox this, and I'm going to test it so that we can see what it smells like, because I'm thinking if it's not the scent, it's definitely very, very close to it. So let me see here. Uh-oh. Surprisingly, let me just open this first. Yep, so how's everybody out there doing? Hope you've been enjoying, life, doing your thing. Oh, look at me. I'm not even cutting in the right area. I'll probably, I'm really surprised at my cutting skills here, guys. Anyway, and it didn't take long as usual to come, so it came pretty fast. Let me see here. Give me a minute. Let me get off of here and open it. Okay, so that didn't take long. So let's see here. Got the, okay, so yeah, I got the mist, the cream, and the shower gel, which I don't like. I like when they used to have, I think they're bringing it back in some of the scents, like the, one of those body, something you do in the bath. Oh yeah, so it's the Pink Lily. Oh, Pink Lily and Bamboo almond oil. Okay, I like the packaging too. It was pretty. It's going to go well with the other. It's sisters and brothers. Coordinate well. So, oh, this is small too. Oh, this is the mist. Okay. Pink Lily. So I'm thinking that they, repackaged it, but I was getting ready to, oh yeah, the body, not body, but anyway, the bath cream, the cream that they used to have for bathing. What do you call that? I can't remember what you call it, but anyway, I did like that. So anyway, I'm going to open this and let's see what it smells like. So, okay. It's nice. It has a, yeah, I think it's, let me check. I think that one is, that this one is more pronounced, because I think this smells like Happy, the original Happy. To me, it does. It has a fragrance of, you know, the floral. Yeah, the floral fragrance of Happy. Yeah, they're basically both the same. It has just one or two notes that are not in here. And I'm going to compare the notes as well while I'm... Yeah, it's very close. It's just that this one is almost it has a fruit in it. I can tell it's something fruity-ish in it. But it's nice. It's nice. It'll do. I like it. It's light, you know, because me, I don't want my cologne or my fragrance announcing me. But let me get my eyes on and I'll look at the notes. Okay, so note-wise, dewy pink, lily petals, and lush tropical, okay, tropical rainforests. Okay, so the notes are wild lily petals, bamboo leaf, pink ginger, fresh fig, and sauna wood. Okay, so let's see what this one says. Make it pretty. So here, the notes are French tulips, water lily, freesia blossom, sparkling mandarin, and sandalwood. So sandalwood and another wood. So yeah, they basically almost have the same notes in them. So I'm happy with it. It smells, you know, pretty comparable to that anyway. It's nice. I don't mind it at all. So this will be a nice scent to wear on during this, you know, the spring and the summer. Yeah, it's going to be very nice and fresh. I can imagine a cute little, a pretty, you know, dress and hanging out with the family downtown or something like that. You know, whatever. Date night stuff or whatever. But anyway, so it's really nice. So I don't mind it at all. So, yep. So I just wanted to unbox this. Have you tried this pink lily before yourself? What type of fragrances, what's your favorite fragrance from Bath & Body Works? Or have you tried any of the new fragrances that they have there, or products or whatever? Yep, so this is Saida, the Domestic Handmaiden of Distinction, signing out for now. And I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share if you like. And I'm always here to encourage us all to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus. Have a good day. Bye-bye for now.